எப்படி இருக்கீங்க कैसे हो? This is me, your Rupesh. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon next to it. I know you guys are waiting for the surprise, but just wait for one more video. I'll reveal the surprise. Before that, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of Axor Apex helmet in my last video. In case if you missed it, I'm leaving iCard above. You can watch it. In this video, I'm back with another unboxing, which is Rhinox Tornado 4 Pro jacket. This is the latest jacket which was released from Rhinox in June 2021. It was out of stock for almost 10 days. I just ordered 4 days back and I got it today. I'm making a review of it. Hope you guys enjoy this review as well. So before that, let me give you a small insight of Rhinox Tornado 4 Pro jacket in contrast with Rhinox Tornado Pro 3 jacket. The Tornado Pro 3 jacket was an all-weather jacket, but this doesn't come with all-weather. We have to buy the rain jacket and thermal wear separately. But compared to Tornado Pro 3, Tornado Pro 4 jacket comes with chest protectors which were not there in Tornado Pro 3, and the design is also a bit different. Now let's unbox it and see it. So this is the package. The package is very simple, but there is a cardboard behind for not the jacket getting crushed in transit. So let me quickly unbox. As you can see, there are cardboards on both the sides, so that the jacket doesn't get damaged. So this is the jacket. We don't get anything else in the box. We'll just get the jacket with cardboard protection. On the jacket, you can see there are some Rhinox stickers, and this is something which is very good. A 50,000 insurance for 1 year from the date of purchase. And this is the details about Safe Tech, and this is the details about Knox. And this jacket comes with a 5 years warranty. And this is the QR code and the price of the jacket. So this is how the jacket looks like. As you can see, there is a velcro at the neck, velcro on the arms. So 3 velcros on the arms, 1 near the shoulder, 1 near the elbow, and 1 near the wrist. So the same also on the second side as well, wrist, elbow and shoulder. So this material inside the neck is a soft Nepron material. It is soft here, and we get this meshing all over. I'll show you once I open the jacket. You get meshing on the hands as well, and we have a zipper on wrist, and we have a dual zipper here. Both zippers are from YKK, and behind you don't get anything. Here also this is a mesh material. You can see behind. I will open this and I'll show you. Now I will open the zip and I'll show you. I have opened the zipper. I'll show you the padding and everything. Before that, there are velcro straps on the waist as well. You can adjust according to your waist. And there is a zipper inside where we can directly connect our riding pants if you are using riding pants. So now let's see the padding and protectors inside. We can remove all this padding for washing the jacket. See here, you can see. Everything is removable. You get a velcro here, so you can remove and wash it. So even elbow, you can just pull this out. Sorry, elbow, yeah. Even you can pull this out here. You can take this out and you can take out the elbow guard and then wash the jacket. This jacket is washable. This is a 2021 latest model. So the material used is completely 600 DU polyester and DWR technique, which is good. In case of any crash, if it scrapes on the road, the material stays good compared to the older models. I'll attach the padding again. Coming to the padding and protectors now, this is level 2 and the chest protectors are level 1. Both these comes from Safe Tech Italian thing. Here inside you can see these are shoulder protectors, and here you get elbow protection as well. These two are level 2 and these are from Microlog British. As I told, this is complete mesh. You can see see through outside, so this is good for ventilation when you are driving in hot summers. And coming to the zippers or pockets, you get 2 pockets on both the sides. Here you can see the pocket, and this side also you get 1 pocket. And inside there is a waterproof waterproof jacket where we can keep our mobile or GoPro when there is rain. This is completely waterproof and it is inside. So I'll wear and I'll show you how it looks on me. So this is how the jacket looks on me. You can see how premium it is looking, and also this is very good protective gear while riding. You can see the straps here. I'll adjust these straps according to my fitting, and so these elbow paddings, just adjust properly and tie this up. I'll cut this. As I already told before, this is a dual zipper, so I am putting both the zips in. You can see I can open the zip, I can close the zip from below and above also while riding, so that it will be easy. So this is how the jacket looks like. The fitting is perfect, and you can see behind as well. I don't know whether you can observe or not, these are glowing, and even the behind the ones which are here glowing. I wantedly switched off the light. You can see how they are glowing. This is how they look in the night, so people can find you easily when you are traveling in darkness. So even behind that, so these are two reflectors, and also there are reflectors on the shoulder as well. Here and here you can see. So two reflectors on the hand, two reflectors on the chest, and two reflectors at the back. The chest padding, the elbow padding, the shoulder, and the back protector, everything is good. I feel comfortable also in the jacket. I don't know how it feels while riding in summer or winter. I'll show you, I'll see, and I'll let you know in the coming videos. Please wear jackets or riding gear, maybe at least knee guards and elbow guards when you're traveling long on bikes, because local commuting it's okay, but when you're traveling long, it's always safe to wear riding gear, because we don't know what happens when we hit the road. That's it for the review. I hope you guys like the Rhinox Tornado 4 Pro jacket. I like this very much. I waited for this green high-vis color for almost 10 days and I ordered it. There are two other colors as well, black and white, and also red. I'll add them just now.
Apart from the high-vis green color, these are the other two colors, black white and black red.
In case if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe this channel for more interesting content like this. This is me, Rupesh, signing off. Take care. Bye bye.